Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Quickbooks not linking to the Microsoft Excel and allowing you to export. So if I open up any random report and try to export it by clicking on this Excel and then clicking on this create new worksheet option, then as you can see, I can't select this first three option. I can only generate a CSV file, but I can't generate into a Excel file. So now fix for it is very simple. First you need to open up your starter menu, and from here you need to search for registry editor and you need to open it. Then it's going to open up the similar screen where you can see the multiple folders. So from here you just have to come to this path, this random path or this long path. I'm also going to paste this path in description of my video. You can directly copy from here from it and then paste this address in this bar and you will be automatically redirected to it. So you just from here, after you just need to delete this 1.9 file, just right click on it and then a menu will appear. From here you have to click on this delete button, and once you click on it, this folder will be deleted. Now what you need to do is just restart your PC and then try to open QuickBooks again and then try to export it, and I'm sure it will fix. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.